फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फिजिक्स ऑफिशियल। आज हम एक नया टॉपिक लेकर आए हैं जिसका नाम है इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। चलो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज दैट फिजिकल क्वांटिटी विच डिटरमाइंस द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज बिटवीन टू चार्ज बॉडी व्हेन both it conduct. Positive charge flow from a body at higher potential toward a body at lower potential. Conversely, a negative charge flow from a body at lower potential toward a body at higher potential. अब हम इसकी डेफिनेशन देखते हैं। The electric potential at any point in an electric field is defined as the ratio of the work done in bring a test charge from infinity to that point to the strength of the test charge. If W is the work done in bring a test charge plus Q node from infinity to a point A, that the electric field, then electric potential of A, VA is equal to W upon Q node, where if Q node is equal to plus 1 unit positive charge, Q node is unit positive charge, and then VA is equal to W, that is the electric potential. Therefore, potential at any body of an electric field may also be defined as the line work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. The unit of potential is joule and coulomb, joule per coulomb, which is also called volt. Its dimensional formula is ml square t minus 3 A inverse. Now we will discuss electric potential difference. The potential difference between 2 points is an electric field is defined as the ratio of the work done in moving a rest charge from one point to another to the strength of the test charge. If W is the work done in moving a test charge Q node from the point B to the point A, then the potential difference between points A and B is given by VA minus V is equal to WB arrows of A upon Q node, whereas Q node is equal to plus 1 charge, then VA minus V is equal to WV arrows A. Therefore, potential difference between 2 points in an electric field may also define as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another point. 1 volt. Now we will discuss 1 volt. The electric potential is measured in 1 volt. In the expression VA minus VV is equal to WV arrows of A upon Q node. Q node is equal to plus 1, unit positive charge is equal to 1 coulomb. Then WVA is equal to 1 joule. Then VA minus VV is equal to 1 volt. Thus, if 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point is an electric field, then the potential difference those points will be 1 volt. The electric potential difference is equal to 1 volt. We will discuss potential at any point due to a point charge. It's very important topic. We will discuss this topic in next video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.